So we had a company gift us this Caroma foldable electric scooter. Now this is a 1200 watt scooter and it can definitely boogie. Let me take you through some of the features on this scooter, especially if you're looking to buy one. The first one is this seat right here. It is super comfortable. And I've definitely taken this on some rough terrain and I could not feel a thing, from the seat being so cushiony right on down to the suspension on this. Really allowed me to go over a lot of bumpy territory without even really feeling the bumps. So I really like that feature right there. So another feature that I really like about this scooter is the fact that it's foldable. And it was already folded in the box, and really all I had to do was put the handlebars on, tighten up the screws, and secure the handlebars in place. Now in order to have these fold down or put back up, all you really have to do, there is this lock right here. You're just gonna undo that lock, and that's going to allow you to tip these handlebars right on down. Obviously right now I have the seat in the way, but I could easily fix that. All I would have to do is hit this tab right here, pull that out, and then you can adjust the seat. So I would be able to push that seat right on down, folding this even further down, making it way easier for me to get it in my trunk. So I like the fact that they have these little tabs that you pull to be able to maneuver this. It makes it very easy. You're not having to unscrew anything or anything like that. Now, as far as the height goes on your handlebars, that has a tab as well that you would pull to adjust that. And you can go down with it or up with it. Now obviously if you push it all the way down, you're able to fold this right on up. You can definitely make this very small, very compact, so if you do have just a car to put this in, it will fit in the trunk super easy. Now it also has a display screen right at the top here that lets you know where your battery is at the moment. It only took about 3.5 hours to get this fully charged, so not too bad. Now this is where you're going to charge the unit right down below. It does have this little tab here. You're just going to pull back and stick the end of your cord in there. Now this scooter does operate off of a key, and they do give you 2 different keys. Now next to your key is a red button here, and that button is going to turn on your light right here at the front. You also have your front brakes here, which work very well. There is also a very thick kickstand here that allows you just to be able to park your scooter and not have to worry about it tipping over. They did put a horn on here. So on this side, you have a green button. And when you push that button, you got your horn. None of this works without turning that key on. Another feature is this basket right here. This is a pretty big basket. It's pretty big. You could definitely put a shopping bag back here. It holds my helmet with no issues, because you're definitely gonna have to wear it on this ride because it goes up to 30 miles per hour and the range on it is about 20 miles. So you're definitely hitting some speed on here. You definitely need a helmet. Now the spot where you're going to place your feet, that is made like a skateboard. It's got that really rough surface on it, so you're not going to slip around. So all in all, if you're looking for a electric scooter that's foldable and can get some serious speed, I would definitely recommend this one.